Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, so today is Thursday, Thursday, and today is the 1st of July 2021. Okay, so today is a new day for a new month. Okay, hari pertama untuk bulan yang baru. Kita dah masuk ke bulan Julai. And this cartoon says, "Hi, how are you?" So I hope you are doing fine at home and please take care of yourself. Okay, sila jaga kesihatan dan jangan keluar rumah jika tak perlu. Okay. Okay. So today we will answer your module on page 42. Okay, page 42. This is a very short homework, sangat pendek sahaja. But I want you to listen to my explanation. Tapi sila dengar. Sebab bila awak dengar tu, awak akan dapat ilmu. Kalau tak dengar, tak dapat lah. Alright, so this is about school subjects. School subjects. School subjects adalah mata pelajaran di sekolah. Okay, mata pelajaran. Ada subjek ni yang awak dah belajar di sekolah rendah. Dan ada yang belum belajar, ada yang di sekolah menengah baru jumpa. Okay, so look at the photos. Complete the sentences with school subjects or school words. Okay, tengok gambar dan lengkapkan ayat ni lah, perkataan ni. Tapi dia dah bagi berapa letters, berapa huruf yang perlu diisi. Okay, let's do this together. Okay, look at number 1. I like. Okay, tengok subjek ni dia ada mikroskop. Okay, subjek apa yang menggunakan mikroskop, alat-alat ni? Okay, of course, science. Okay, but how do we spell science? Macam mana nak eja science? Okay, so saya akan tulis lah. Okay, saya akan tulis. Okay, I will write here. Science, S dah ada. C. Okay, sorry tak nampak. Okay. C. I-E-N-C-E. Science. Okay. Okay. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. Okay. So, number 1, the answer is science. Number 2, this is my school. And ni dia sejenis alat. Okay, sejenis alat yang macam tablet tu. Okay, dia macam tablet tapi kita gunakan untuk baca buku. Okay, kita panggil dia notebook. Notebook. Okay, how do we spell notebook? Okay, like this. I show you. Okay, notebook spell like this. And dah ada. O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Okay, N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. Okay. So, number 3. Okay, number 3. We love. Okay, ni sebenarnya gambar globe, gambar peta dunia. Okay, so bila kita belajar tentang negara-negara ni, kita panggil dia subjek geography. Geography. Okay, how do we spell geography? Geography we spell like this. G-E-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Geography. Okay. Nampak tak? Can you see this? G-E-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Geography. Okay, dapat? Now, number 4. She's good at. Okay, ni ada alat-alat untuk mengira sudut atau darjah. Okay. Agak-agak subjek apa yang mengira ni? Okay, it is maths. M-A-T-H-S. M-A-T-H-S. Okay. Apa tak? Okay. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. Maths tu matematik lah. Okay, maths Okay, bab. Okay. Number 5. Is my favorite subject. Okay, ini kalau if you cannot see this, ini adalah pakaian perang. Pakaian perang, helmet perang. Ini bukan Malaysian punya lah. Ini Western punya pakaian perang. Okay. Zaman-zaman Greek dulu ni. Yang helmet, macam helmet Trojan ni. Okay, so bila belajar tentang peperangan, ini adalah subjek sejarah. Okay, what is sejarah in English? History. History. How do we spell history? Okay. H, dah ada. H-I-S-T-O-R-Y. History. Okay, history is my favorite subject. Okay, number 6. I is interesting. Okay. Subjek ada komputer adalah ICT. Okay, I dah ada. Cuma tambah huruf C and huruf T. ICT is interesting. Okay, so if you didn't get the answer, please play this video again. Okay. So this is very easy, very simple, and I hope you can do this. Okay, so that's all for today. See you again. Okay, bye.